Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Finding the Send/Receive tab in Microsoft Outlook is essential for managing your emails manually. You will typically find this tab located at the very top of your Outlook window within the main navigation ribbon. It sits right between the Folder tab and the View tab in the standard desktop version of the software. If you do not see the Send/Receive tab, your ribbon might be collapsed or hidden to save screen space. Look for a small arrow icon in the bottom right corner of the ribbon area to expand the full menu. Sometimes users are on the new Outlook or the web version, which looks slightly different. In the new Outlook for Windows, the classic Send/Receive tab has been replaced by a sync button or simply happens automatically. If you are using the classic Outlook desktop app and the tab is still missing, you may need to customize your ribbon settings. Right-click on the top menu and select Customize the ribbon from the drop-down menu. Ensure the Send/Receive group is checked in the list of main tabs on the right side of the window. Click OK to save your changes and the tab should reappear instantly. This tab is your go-to spot for the Send/Receive All Folders button, which forces Outlook to check for new messages immediately. You can also find the Work Offline button here if you need to disconnect from the server. Keeping this tab visible ensures you have full control over your incoming and outgoing mail flow at all times. This is helpful when you are waiting for a time-sensitive verification code.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.